What if the fate of an entire nation rested in the hands of one man? A man who started with nothing but a burning desire for justice. This is the story of Abraham Lincoln, the hero who led America through its darkest hour and gave millions the gift of freedom. But did his sacrifice change the world forever? Abraham Lincoln's life wasn't easy. Born in a humble log cabin in 1809, he faced the struggles of poverty, illiteracy, and hardship. But what set him apart was his relentless pursuit of knowledge and his belief that anyone could change their destiny with hard work. From a young boy in the fields to a self-taught lawyer, Lincoln's ambition was clear. He would make a difference. In 1860, he became the 16th President of the United States, and with his leadership, a nation on the brink of collapse began its fight for survival. The country was torn apart by the Civil War, but Lincoln knew that the fight wasn't just for territory, it was for the soul of America. His decision to issue the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 turned the tide of the war and freed millions from the chains of slavery. But Lincoln's journey wasn't without tragedy. His life was cut short when an assassin's bullet claimed him at the height of his victory. On the night of April 14, 1865, John Wilkes Booth murdered the president at Ford's Theater, just as America began to heal. Yet Lincoln's words and ideals continue to echo through history, teaching us that leadership is defined by integrity, not power. Through pain and sacrifice, Lincoln redefined freedom. Today we remember him not just as a president, but as a symbol of hope and courage in the face of adversity. What if Lincoln had never been born? Would America be the same? His legacy lives on, a reminder that one person can indeed change the world, if they have the courage to fight for what's right.